Hi guys, I'm back. Now let's talk about those number bonds. Do you remember a number bond? Remember, it has three parts. It has the whole, and it has two parts with two number paths to each part. Whole, part, part. Whole, part, part. All right, my friends, let's try it all together. I'll say the words and you show me the hand movements. Whole, part, part. Part, part, whole. All right. Now let's talk about our math. I have a story to tell you. Last night, I was looking out my window. Here's my window. And I saw in the sky some objects. I saw three beautiful night stars. And I saw two swirly stars. How could I show that in a number bond? Well, let's think about it. How many objects did I see in all? Well, I saw 5 objects in all. So I could put my whole as 5. And how many stars did I see? Regular shiny stars. Well, I saw 1, 2, 3. So I could put 3 in one part. And how many swirly stars did I see? 2. Look, I made my number bond. I know that 3 and 2 make 5. All right. Should we do another one? I think we should. Let's try again. Let's do another number bond story. I bet you guys like Miss Kelly's cool computer and how it can erase and draw things for you. I do too. I just got this. All right, let's make another number bond. Here's the whole, and here are my 2 parts. And I've got 2 number paths to each one. This time my story is gonna be about animals. Animals that live by a tree and by a river. Here's the tree and the river. All right, now it's time to add in the animals. I saw that there were 2 snakes in a tree. 1, 2. They were slithering along the tree. And there were 2 snakes swimming in the river. 1, 2. How could I show a number bond that could tell me how many snakes there were in the whole picture? Well, I know I have 2 parts here. I have snakes that are in a tree and snakes that are in a river. So my 2 parts, 1 would be the snakes in the tree. 1 snake in the tree, 2 snakes in the tree. So I'm going to put a 2 here in one of my parts. And then I have these snakes that are in the river. There's 2 snakes in the river. So I'm going to put 2 in the other part as well. But how many snakes do I have all together? Well, if I count all of my snakes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So I'm going to put 4 in the hole. Look, I made my number bond. 2 and 2 make 4. Friends, this is what you're going to be doing today in your problem set. Let me see if I can switch the screen. If not, you're going to see another video in just a minute with this screen on it. Okay.